What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the Ballers Club. It's your boy BallOrFallBird, the one and only Mr. Ballofall, the one and only Mr. Do It All, the one and only Mr. Everything Under the Sun will get done because your boy is best beyond, man. Hey, man, I got a topic for y'all today that I really wanted to make sure that I spoke on. And the topic of this video is life is about elevation. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this video is because I came across an old picture in my phone where it was basically saying, like, I don't want to be around anybody that's still. And it gave examples, still broke, still, not being disciplined, just all the wrong stills to not be. And the reason why I said, like, life is about elevation is because it's not okay to be stagnant, man. Like, everything in life, it don't matter however you want to look at life. I mean, everything, honestly, I do understand that, everybody has their own perspective and perception of life, but my own perception of life, my own perspective on this specific topic is life is about nothing more, or I'm not gonna say nothing more, but life is always about elevation. Like, you should always be trying to achieve higher heights. Y'all see the people in the back, so I apologize if y'all can hear any, noise or anything. But like I said, man, life is about achieving higher heights, dog. Like, life is about getting to that next level, because your purpose is never fulfilled. And obviously, y'all know, if y'all are in the BallOrFall family, we're about achieving our purpose, but our purpose can always become higher. Our purpose can always become, we can add more people to it. Think about that. If I said, my purpose is to serve 100 people, what am I gonna do? Block out 101? Block out 1,000? Block out 1,000,000? So, like, life is always about elevation, and within this sense, it's a part of the same thing. Like, life is continuously about elevation. Life is continuously about reaching those higher highs in our life. And the reason why I really say this, and the reason why I really think about this, is because, like, it don't matter how you look at life, man. Like, there's always somebody going to be better. And that's the main reason why you must always continue to better yourself. Think about, like, if you watch any kind of sport, now look, I'm not going to, say anything about former athletes, but athletes today are usually bigger, stronger, and faster than what they were back in the day. We're achieving faster 40 times. We're achieving higher vertical jumps. We're achieving, like, whatever the case may be. Like, and it's the overarching theme of the world. The overarching theme of the world is to continue to make the world a better place. Think about that statement right there. Everyone always says that I want to make the world a better place. You can't make the world a better place by saying, okay, the world is like this, I'm going to keep it like this, or I'm going to reach this high of a level and we're going to try to keep it right there. No, we're trying to make the world a better place. In whatever arena you're in whatever aspect of life that you're looking at it at, we're trying to make the world a better place. We're trying to achieve more within our purpose. So I say all this and I think of all this because, like think about, like, NASCAR drivers. You're always trying to find a way to make your car faster, become a better driver. Like, it's always, that earth statement: better, faster, richer, whatever the case may be. And it's like I said, I don't think that it's a bad thing to want to have growth. I don't think that it's a bad thing to want to become higher in consciousness, in, your spiritual nature, whatever the case may be. Like, it's always, in my opinion, a great thing to want to have those higher heights. So I just say these things and I think about these things because, like, a lot of people sometimes will try to convince you that it's okay to be stagnant. It's not okay to be stagnant. Now, it's okay to be still, in the sense of, okay, I'm being still so I can take in the moment. I'm being still so that I can, garner, the things that I need to garner from this moment, whatever the case may be. But it's not okay to be stagnant. If I plant a seed and I water it for 10 days and I stop watering it, does it continue to grow? So you got to understand, our faith is, y'all know, like, it's in the Bible. You have to have the faith of a mustard seed. If I have the faith of a mustard seed, but I don't continue to water that seed, then what? If I have the faith of a mustard seed today and not have it tomorrow, is it going to continue to grow? Is God going to bless me with the things that I'm, praying for or having faith in Him for? You see what I'm saying? So like I said, I just think about all these things and I just say all these things because like life is about elevation. The things that we're trying to achieve in life is all about elevation. We're trying to make the world a better place. We're trying to make our situation better. We're trying to come from here to there. And that's why y'all, like that's going to be another one of the topics of my video. Don't settle for less. Have higher standards. Have higher standards. It's nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with seeing anything in the world and saying, you know what, how can I make that better? That's what a lot of people do. People look at a cell phone and say, how can I make it better? That's why every single year they come out with a different iPhone. Every single year they come out with a different Android. Every single year there's a new generation of something. A car, a phone, a iPad, a computer, a book bag, a shoe, whatever the case may be, because people are trying to find ways to make things better. That's why we're going from a lot of gas and petroleum cars to electric vehicles. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's always about elevation. It's always about achieving the next height. It's always about how can we make the world a better place. Think about if you said, you know what, I don't eat anything but fast food. Well, for one, you putting yourself on a path to a terrible destination. But a lot of people say, you know what, I don't want to eat fast food no more. Okay, now I don't want to eat certain meats. Okay, now I don't want to eat meats at all. Or, and it's not to say like you have to have a specific diet in that sense, but understand that everything that you do, it affects who you are and it affects who you're it affects your consciousness. So having a always burning desire within you to want more and want better and want higher, I feel like it's the perfect thing in the world to do. It's the perfect way in the world to be. So man, like I said, it's like in my own eyes, in my own vision, you have to always want better. That's why old tricks don't continue to work years and generations, down the road. Now some things will stand the test of time forever, but a lot of things aren't. Because there's always a way that you can get better. There's always a way to elevate yourself. There's always a way to elevate a specific situation. There's always ways to elevate whatever it is in life, man. So like I said, man, if you still here at this time, comment the word elevate down in the chat, man. Let me know that you're going to elevate. Let me know, or put a rocket, put something in the, a plane emoji, whatever the case may be. Put something in the chat that's going to help me know that you're trying to elevate. Put something in the chat that's going to let me know that you're trying to reach higher heights. Put higher heights in the comments, man. Put the number 7. Y'all know that's my favorite number, man. That's the number of completion, man. When we continue to reach higher heights, that's how we make the world a better place. That's how we become complete, man. So I say all these things and I think of all these things, man, to make sure that I just remind y'all, man, like, I appreciate y'all for being in the BallOrFall family. Like, we all gonna continue to reach higher heights, man. Everyone in this BallOrFall family, if you're watching this video right now, you are now in the BallOrFall family, dog. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, man. Follow me on Instagram. Follow us. Very soon I'm going to be making a group chat for the BallOrFall family, man, where we all just share our wins. We just share the things that we going through in life, man. Like, I got so many plans and, I got a lot of big things that I want to do for us as a BallOrFall family, and that's my piece to wanting to help elevate the world. That's my piece to want to make the world a better place. We all struggle through things. We all go through things, but it's always a way that we can all, help the next person. So, like I said, man, I appreciate y'all for coming to the Ballers Club today. It's your boy BallOrFallBird, the one and only Mr. BallOrFall, the one and only Mr. Do It All, the one and only Mr. Everything Under the Sun Will Get Done, because your boy is best beyond, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video.